Want to create activities your students actually want to do? With AI Creator, you can easily build custom coding exercises that tap into your students' interests. No extra prep needed. Let me show you how. Say you teach an Intro to Python course and a lot of your students are on the basketball team. You can quickly generate a themed activity that grabs their attention and keeps them practicing. From your course, go to the Assignments tab on the left and click AI Creator. Choose the Create tool, and here you can select Practice, Python, and then your prompt. Let's go with create a Python practice problem about basketball. In seconds, you get a complete coding activity, a clear problem description, test cases, starter code, and solution code, all automatically built for you. This one's a basketball points calculator, perfect for helping students practice variables and basic math. Want to make it more interactive? Ask Carol to turn it into a game or add a twist, like free throw accuracy or a timer. You can keep iterating it until it's exactly what you want. All right, so now it created a basketball three-throw game. You can continue working with Carol using the prompts Carol generates. You can make it easier or harder, or continue having that back and forth interaction. Once you're happy with an activity, you can preview it, fork it if you want to tweak it even further, or assign it directly to your class, or just a few students who you think might benefit most. It's fast, fun, and totally tailored to your students. AI Creator makes it easy to build activities that meet students where they are and get them excited to code.